Life is a winding road.
Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are keeping well. So in today's video guys, we are doing laundry. It's been a very hectic week when it comes to laundry. I'm telling you, the weather has not been good. We have been having load shedding. Electricity is going like 2 times in a day for like 2.5 hours, I think, another 2.5 hours. Yeah, it has not been easy, I must say. So as you guys know, I do separate my clothes according to their colors, but I do not separate my son's clothes unless there's something that are really white. Then I wash it with our white things. I just wash his things all together. That's just, it saves me time, saves the soap. Anyway, he only is going to be wearing maybe his clothes for like 2 years. I don't stress much about taking care of his clothes, if I'm just being honest. Yeah, so this is my daughter's laundry. She washed the previous day. Yeah, so I was just taking out for her, and I was about to start the first load for the day. On my second load, electricity decided to go, and it was partly my fault for starting all this laundry without checking if we had load shedding. I think though it was the first day of load shedding, so that's why like I didn't notice in the group that I'm in, our local group, about load shedding. So I had to take my son's clothes and wash them with the hand, just to, speed up the work, because usually laundry will take up the full day. And you know what, I'm also just was thinking about, let me just try and save water, guys. The bill when it comes end of the month of the water with the automatic machine, it's just too much now. I don't know whether the municipality is just adding their own money, but I'm just thinking it's the machine, because that machine can wash, I think it washes, then it rinses 3 times. It's definitely uses more water, double than if you had washing or you using a twin tub. So yeah, I need to make some changes somehow, because the bill is just too much, yeah. Anyway guys, I hope you do get motivation by watching this video. We will talk later.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, it should have been you. Another time, another place.
Yeah, electricity is gone, baby. You take electricity, madam, because they are.
Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. Should have been you. Another time, another place. I just know It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime, what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
It's a sour taste, it's a sour taste. To be fooled again, honey, to be fooled again. Stole my heart and ripped it into pieces. Yes, you did. No, it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I want it. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I want it. I still miss it. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Change the heat and make a promise. And make it through all our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws. It's a cold embrace, ain't it? It's a big mistake to be falling back to the stuff we know will fade. Stole my thoughts for no given reason, none at all. No, it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I want it. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I want it. I still miss it. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise. And make it through all our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws, all our flaws. All our I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise. And make it through all our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws. And make it through all our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws.
So guys, I think this was the third day of me trying to dry my son's clothes. So the electricity came back. I did spin his things to dry it in the machine, and I hang his clothes here. So this was the second day from the washing day that I was hanging his clothes, but still the clothes were still, some of them were not dry because the weather was just so bad still. Yeah, I couldn't hang anything outside. Yeah guys, this is like a week of laundry. The reason for that was just the weather. Yeah guys, I hope you are still here. If you are still here, I appreciate you.
Someone else what to do. Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile
watching you smile. And I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love, there's something about you, I wish you were mine. So many times I wanted to put my arms around you just to be close to you. And in my head, it's just you and I don't know why I feel this way. Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. Now I can't get over.
Finally, guys, we were able to see the light after I think 3 days of no sun, just rain and just a gloomy weather. Finally, I was able to dry my clothes on this day. As you can see, it's nice and bright and windy. So I am just going to end with my laundry on this day with you guys. And then I will finish folding up on the following video. Just will make some short video just folding with you guys. And I wondered everything must be in one video, but unfortunately because of the delay of the days of me washing, it was just too much. So I'll end up this video by just starting the fire with you guys. I'm not good at starting the fire. It's just like a trial and error. But I end up doing it. So please don't judge. But you can maybe give me advice on how to actually start it. I usually just start it with some plastic bottles or whatever plastic I can get, or candles. Just to start the fire. That's how I started. Guys, anyway guys, thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video up until this time and just to click in to watch this video. Thank you so much, I appreciate you. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.
It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. It's been so cold without you here. We barely said goodbye before you disappeared.